as flu cases spike across the nation in Texas, the coastal bend certainly not immune. Local health officials say right now we are experiencing another influx of flu A cases. Our Lexus Green joins us now in studio to break down those numbers. Lexus.
Good evening, Leslie. Chances are you or someone you know has fell victim to the flu this season already. Health experts I spoke to say that we are currently experiencing another spike like we did at the end of December.
So for week 4, we had 609 cases of flu, and then this week 5, we have 729 cases of flu.
While that number isn't as high as the more than 1,000 cases we saw back in late December, Dr. Dante Gonzalez says it's still a 100-case jump in just a week's time.
We haven't really hit the peak just yet, but we are seeing an increase in numbers, specifically in flu A, which is what we see in children or typically in individuals that are younger.
Gonzalez, who is serving as the interim director of the health department, says more than 90% of these cases are flu A, which can be a little bit more severe than flu B, specifically in children.
What we are seeing is a really dramatic increase in the number of children coming in with influenza. Their numbers are the highest we have seen this season.
That was Dr. Jaime Fergie, a pediatric specialist at Driscoll Children's Hospital, who is seeing the seriousness of these cases firsthand.
Every week we test about 800, 900 children throughout Driscoll and our outpatient facilities.
According to Fergie, these cases are overwhelming their facilities, and they often see flu cases turn into pneumonia.
Hospitalizations, sometimes children coming to intensive care unit with influenza. So indeed, we're seeing what is being seen around the state.
According to Fergie, there has been 57 children who have died from influenza in our country this year alone, and stresses the importance of prevention.
The hospital is doing okay, and we have a space right now. But I think the message always is in this situation, and this is a message I've been telling all of the community for the past 30 years, is the vaccination.
Gonzalez reminds everyone to use those familiar practices like washing your hands, not touching your eyes and nose, and staying home if you're sick to help stop the spread. Fergie says it's not too late to get vaccinated because even if you had flu A, you could still get flu B. And who wants to go through that twice? Leslie, back to you.
Certainly not me. All right, Lexus, thank you so much for those tips.